Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz651 Models, and on the workbench today I have this 1993 Tamiya catalogue, which was a showcase collection of their precise scale model kits, from armour to aircraft to motorcycle, ships, and all their auto racing classics. They're in this catalogue. Now this catalogue is a really nice catalogue, and basically it's crammed full of some of the best Formula One cars that you can buy, and unfortunately due to licensing reasons, etc., you can't really buy them anymore. They don't release them to my knowledge. Now, if you've been on the channel before, you know that I basically go back through my stash of catalogues that I collect, and I film them page by page for your enjoyment and to share the knowledge that is inside these catalogues. So to watch them in the best quality, go to the cog, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm flicking the pages too quickly, you can slow it down by going to the cog again, clicking playback and selecting 0.2, 0.5. You can also pause the video at any time and see what's on the page, and then click play to watch even more. Sadly, only 10% of the people who watch these videos are subscribers, and it would really help the channel if you could subscribe to this channel. And if you want to be notified when these catalogues go live, just click the bell. Okay, brilliant, that's it. So let's get into it. This is the 1993 Tamiya catalogue. Enjoy. These are great catalogues. I think Tamiya do some of the best catalogues. I really do. They are full of pictures of their models completed, and it really does make your imagination wild, thinking, oh, I can build that. You know, you have there's possibilities in these catalogues that really evoke imaginations. You know, this is one of the most fabulous ones I've got when it comes to Formula One cars. So let's go through it, and you can see. So straight off, you've got this here, which is the 1993 catalogue, and this was the year of Nigel Mansell and Riccardo Patrese. So you could have built the Williams FW 14B Renault, and basically this is all the decal scheme that came with it. It looks phenomenal. So moving on through the catalogue, you can there see there's the cars there. They just look beautiful. They really do look good. You've got the Ferrari, you've got the McLaren. Moving on through, there it is there. This is the 1:20 scale, which even has, you could even build the engine up and the axle at the back. It's phenomenal, this catalogue. It really is. And there's so many there that you can use. You can even do a phenomenal diorama scene here with all the figures. Look at this. Looking up close, look at that. It is fantastic, this catalogue. It really does evoke some imaginative ideas. Moving through, again, you've got all the cars here. They're pretty big on the cars, all their 1:32 scale. Quickly looking at their tanks. Look at the pictures in here. It's great. And you've probably enjoyed looking at this as I've gone through the pages. There's all their kits for their boats. There you go. Look at that. Also, the pages coming out there slightly. Some diorama detailing, and then you go through and there's their bikes. Absolute classics here, all the way through. Phenomenal. And then on the back, obviously, you've got all their tool section, and also they talk about their paints, their surface primers, etc. in the back. Anyways, there you go. That was the 1993 Tamiya catalogue. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.